언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 The chemistry is like no other two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐
Welcome back. If you guys are doing great, so today is another hair review. Today's hair is from Ossilee hair. It came in this cute bag, and all these goodies you're seeing right here came with the wig. Okay, we love it when goodies come with any wig. The hair is 28 inches. Is very long. I like it when it's long, you guys know. That is the hair. Look at the hairline. It came a little bit pluck, and the hair is so smooth. This is their new platinum blonde straight lace wig. It's 5x5. The lace is HD transparent lace. Okay, look at how gorgeous the hair looks, so smooth. Look at the hairline. It's 5x5. Look at it on my hand. You can see it is so beautiful. It came with adjustable strap, inbuilt one, and detachable one. That's the construction of the back, and we are going to spray this on the hair. You guys know I'm lazy when it comes to tinting of hair, when it comes to bleaching of the knot. I'm so lazy. So guys, I use this and just make it easy to work on this hair. Okay, gorgeous. In case if you're interested, I'm going to leave all details of this hair on the description box. Check that out if you are interested. I really love the hair. I like the color. This is my first time of wearing this kind of color, and I love it. I really love it. You can just bleach the knot if you know how to do that, but I always say I'm lazy, so I don't have that time. I just use this on it, blow dry it, and that is it. Okay, that's all I did on the hair. Yeah. So you can see the difference between the lace before and after. Okay, that it works. This hair, guys, I decide not to glue it down. You can glue it down. I just did it like glueless wig, and it's really helpful. Even if you don't glue it down, you can just wear your wig and you're good to go. Just look at it as I'm brushing it. You see how smooth the hair is. You see it is very smooth, and I like this color, this mixture. I really love it. And one thing I like about this hair, this center is long. You can see the part is very long. I like when my part is long, and I love this. I told you guys the lace is 5x5. So I open my part. You can put it by the side if you want to put it by the side. Even if you want to do zip part, you can, because with 5x5 you can go whichever way you want. Okay, whatever way you want your wig, whether by the side or zip part or center or corner. So I just use my hot comb to comb it down to flatten it the more. So I'm chopping the hair a little. I just want to do this, even though I'm not a professional. I always say it, you guys know. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional. I go with the flow. If you are like me, you know, we go with the flow. I just chop the hairline. Okay, it's not the hairline. The hair. Guys, don't mind me. I just chop the hair little, okay, to give it some layers. That's the word, some layers. And that is it. Just watch me install this wig. Like I said, all details will be on the description box. There was no shedding from the hair. The hair is so soft and it's silky. It take coils as well. I coil the hair. You guys are going to see it. If you want to wear this hair straight, it is really straight. If you want to coil it, each way you want to wear it, it delivers. So wash it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. I love you guys. Bye.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry is like no other two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 Someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other to know that we're on the same wavelength Oh yeah, why can't we just meet tomorrow 아직도 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어 매일이 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting, waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 물론 아냐 너는 난 알아 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말 보러 갈게 바다 건너 난 널 뭐든 할게 말해줘 자고 싶지 않아 또 나는 홀로 우선 해보는 거야 나랑 YOLO Yeah, 난 너와 나란히 가서 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 okay 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 okay 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래 잠을 만큼 참았어 억울해 Baby I can feel it with you Maybe you feel the same with me too 매일이 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting, waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 매일이 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting, waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So bye.